Hello everyone, welcome to another video about Ielts essay discussion. My name is Tamid Rahman. I've been teaching Ielts for about 4 years now. Today we are going to discuss a topic which is quite common, I should say. The topic usually comes in a different form, usually using more varied vocabulary. They might use globalization or they might use interconnectivity between different countries. So let's see the topic that we're going to discuss today. Countries are becoming more and more similar because people are able to buy the same products anywhere in the world. This is basically the result of globalization. Do you think that this is a positive or negative development? Well, before you start writing the essay, it's very important that you plan about the structure of the essay. Now, since this requires you to discuss positive and negative sides as well, you might go with one introduction, two body paragraph, one conclusion, or one introduction, three body paragraphs, one conclusion. Depends on you. It also depends on the main ideas that you have. So before you start writing, you need to brainstorm about what you're going to write. And after brainstorming, you need to gather your ideas and organize them. So I'm going to discuss this topic. Hopefully, it helps you. I'm not going to give you a sample. It's more going to be of an assisted guidance about how to write this essay. Let's start. It is said that countries are becoming similar to each other because of the global spread of the same products, which are now available for purchase almost anywhere. And I strongly believe that this modern development is largely detrimental to culture and traditions worldwide. The word detrimental means that it has a negative impact. I've used a synonym or an advanced vocabulary in order to highlight how well I can use different words in the English language effectively. A country's history, language, and ethos are all inextricably bound up in its manufactured artifacts. If the relentless advance of international brands into every corner of the world continues, these bland packages might one day completely oust the traditional objects of a nation, which would be a loss of richness and diversity in the world, as well as the sad disappearance of the manifestations of a place's character. What would a Japanese tea company be without its specially crafted teapot, or a Fijian kava ritual without its bowl made from a certain type of tree bark? Let us not forget either that traditional products, whether these be medicines, cosmetics, toys, clothes, utensils, or food, provide employment for local people. The spread of multinational products can often bring in its wake a loss of jobs as people turn to buying the new brand, perhaps thinking it more glamorous than the one they are used to. This eventually puts old school craftspeople out of work. Finally, tourism numbers may also be affected as travelers become disillusioned with finding every place just the same as the one they visited previously. To see the same products in shops the world over is boring and does not impel visitors to open their wallets in the same way that trinkets or souvenirs unique to the particular areas do. While some may argue that all people are entitled to have access to the same products, but I say that local objects suit local conditions best, and that faceless uniformity worldwide is an unwelcome and dreary prospect. Now, that's basically how you should write the different parts of the essay. What I want you to do is take some of those ideas and write it down in your own words. And hopefully, once you've written it down, you can post it in the comment section in this video. Thank you. for listening. That's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video.